Hey guys, my name's Ryan Moore and I'm the welding instructor at Whitley County High School. I just want to talk to you guys today about these KWI Bluegrass Series that we've been doing. This is round 4, right, Keegan? And I think this is really cool and a good opportunity for these kids because it gives them a real life experience, and it actually gives them the closest thing they're ever going to get to taking a weld test on a job site. And another cool thing about this series is we're giving out a lot of cool prizes. The kids get to meet Ashley and Keegan, network with other instructors and other students and talk, and we're all here together. We get to weld, and the blueprint reading is crucial on these competitions, and it gives the instructor a chance to really hone in some of these skills with these students and work with them and teach them these things that they're going to need in the future. And then they get to come here and see if they can apply that knowledge and where they stack up against other students in the state, and it's just make a name for themselves, get money, get these prizes, and keep moving forward and keep learning. Every competition we've done so far is different processes, different plates that they're welding on. It's just a really good experience for these kids to get to do this stuff.
My name is Michael Wardrop. We're here at Breckenridge County High School for the 3rd annual Wade Pile Welding Competition. We are laid out. We have several schools going. We have 20 booths running today. Several times. So we got 2-hour times going. I welded the competition last night. We had KWI here last night, so we were able to weld yesterday. So because we had so many people wanting to come here. The most important thing that I've learned over the last couple competitions is making sure your fitment and tacking up is on point. Because there's a weld last night that I messed up on because I messed up my fitment, so I couldn't finish the weld. KWI coming out and having this event saves us a lot of time from trying to travel across the country, and we're very thankful that we have a local series to go to.
Hi guys, I'm Elizabeth Ballman from the Breckenridge County Area Technology Center. Today we have the 3rd annual Wade Pile Welding Competition going on. This is for seniors, and it's to memorialize a senior who died a few years back that went to Breck County. Being a girl in welding, it's difficult, to say the least. The guys like to pick on you, act like they're better than you, but if you're a girl out there trying to get into the trades, just keep pushing, you can do it, and in the long run, it is proven that girls are better.
Hello, my name is Ashley Moore. We're here at the 3rd annual Wade Pile Welding Competition for high school seniors across the state of Kentucky. I am Wade's first cousin, and his family and I sold shirts as a fundraiser after he died. We ended up getting some money, donated it back to the school, and in return the school hosts this welding competition for us. And we're just so thankful to watch this grow. This is our 3rd year, and each year it has grown and developed, and we really appreciate KWI's interest this year. We're excited to hand out some scholarships. We're excited for the push of the trades in high school seniors, and we're just excited to be a part of it. Wade would absolutely love this competition, and that's probably my favorite part of doing it. So thank you.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that, and also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.